How to use text to speech read aloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on accessibility. Now here click on installed apps. So after click on install apps, now here showing you click on sound notification, and now here showing you sound notification. So click on select to speaker. So after click on select to speaker, so first of all turn on this button and click on all and click on OK. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone and click on Google bar and search how many. So you will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use text to speech read aloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.